In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to switch back to personal account on Instagram. If you have a professional account on Instagram and if you want to switch it back to your personal account, go ahead and open up your Instagram account. So once you're logged into your Instagram account, it's going to take you to the home page, and here you need to go ahead and tap the profile icon. So as you can see, in my case, I have a professional account. Now tap the tab bar icon from the top right, go to settings and privacy. On this page, you need to look for the section that says for professional. Underneath, if you have a professional account, you'll be able to see feature as creators, tools and control. Now go ahead and tap on it. As soon as you've done that, scroll down a bit and tap on switch account type. Once you tap on switch account type, you'll be able to see two different options, that is either switch to business account or to personal account. Now select switch to personal account. If you're sure about it, there will be a confirmation, so go through it and tap on switch to personal account. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see that your account has been switched to personal account, and that's basically how you can switch back to your personal account on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.